Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love singing, hosting parties, or just want to turn your home into a mini concert stage, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 best karaoke machines of 2025. We'll cover key features, real-world performance, pros, cons, and who each machine is best for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Portable Bluetooth karaoke machine with 2 wireless microphones. This compact and portable karaoke machine features Bluetooth 5.3, dual wireless microphones, and multiple input options including USB, TF card, aux, and live mode. It also comes with pitch correction and echo adjustment, making it beginner-friendly. This machine is perfect for casual home use and small gatherings. The sound is surprisingly clear for its size, and the pitch correction really helps less confident singers sound better. Setup is quick and simple, making it ideal for spontaneous karaoke sessions. Pros: Bluetooth 5.3 for stable connection, pitch correction improves vocal quality, lightweight and easy to carry, supports multiple input sources. Cons: not loud enough for large outdoor parties, bass performance is limited. Beginners, families, and small home parties. Number 2. JYX karaoke machine with rolling wheels and RGB lights. The JYX karaoke machine features a large 24-inch portable speaker, rolling wheels, RGB party lights, and treble and bass adjustment. It supports TWS, USB, aux, TF card, and recording, making it great for indoor and outdoor use. This is a powerful party-focused karaoke machine. The sound is loud and punchy, and the RGB lights instantly create a party atmosphere. The wheels make it easy to move around despite its large size. Pros: loud, room-filling sound, RGB lights for party vibes, rolling wheels for portability, sound customization with bass and treble control. Cons: bulky compared to compact models, no built-in lyric screen. House parties, outdoor events, and family gatherings. Number 3. Ikarao portable karaoke machine with built-in lyric screen, 140 watts. This Ikarao model comes with a built-in lyric screen, self-charging wireless microphones, and a 140-watt speaker. It supports a dedicated karaoke app and can connect directly to a TV. This machine stands out thanks to its built-in screen, eliminating the need for a phone or tablet. Vocals are clear, and the app integration makes song selection easy. It's a great balance between portability and functionality. Pros: built-in lyrics display, self-charging wireless microphones, app-based karaoke experience, TV connectivity. Cons: not as powerful as higher wattage models. Screen size may feel small for large groups. Home users who want a clean, all-in-one karaoke setup. Number 4. Ikarao all-in-one karaoke machine with 13.3-inch screen, 460 watts. This premium Ikarao karaoke machine features a 13.3-inch built-in screen, hidden self-charging microphones, and a powerful 460-watt Bluetooth speaker designed for serious karaoke lovers. This is a near-professional karaoke system. The sound is loud, rich, and detailed, and the built-in screen is bright and easy to read. Everything is integrated into one sleek unit, making it extremely convenient. Pros: powerful 460-watt output, large, clear lyrics display, high-end sound quality, clean all-in-one design. Cons: higher price point, less portable than smaller units. Serious karaoke fans and premium home entertainment setups. Number 5. 500-watt party karaoke machine with dual 8-inch subwoofers, disco lights, and includes 2 microphones. It supports USB, aux, recording, and TWS for stereo pairing. If volume and bass are your top priorities, this machine delivers. It's built for big parties and outdoor events, with deep bass and booming sound that feels like a live concert. Pros: extremely powerful sound, deep bass with dual subwoofers, disco lights enhance party atmosphere, great for large spaces. Cons: large and heavy, overkill for small rooms, large parties, outdoor events, and DJs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Links are in the description. See you in the next one.